Welcome back. We now go to Cody and Barrett for this week's edition of the Business Review.
Founder and operations manager of Rude Art Marketing, Daquan Coombs, understands the phrase "teamwork makes the dream work." The company started with 5 undergraduate students at the University of the West Indies UWI Mona campus in St. Andrew. Before, they were freelancers in various creative areas, such as graphic designing, photography, social media management, and content creation. Then came the pandemic.
When COVID came, a lot of our clients would have pulled out of agreements and so forth. So it became a question whether we would have sunk with COVID or swum with COVID, and we chose to swim. So we all came together, pooled our resources, and out came Rude Art.
But at a time when businesses were cutting back, how did the company get clients?
One, reaching out, building a portfolio, building a network, and then actually putting in the work. And those very same clients sometimes refer us to even bigger clients. So really and truly, it's about selling yourself and then following through.
At first, Mr. Coombs thought there would be an immeasurable gap, but as the company gained more clients, along came experience and knowledge. And according to Mr. Coombs, pandemic or not, companies are always competing. But starting Rude Art Marketing meant the team had to make sacrifices.
For a company of such a nature, we don't necessarily need a large amount of capital to begin with. However, when it came to registering the company, to advertising initially, I can tell you, myself and my co-founder, we doubled down. We invested everything out of our pockets up to the point where we had no more money left, but it proved results pretty quick, and we're proud that we did double down.
And as things got going, the company saw significant growth.
Year 1 was very much successful, and even coming into year 2, we found even greater success. And the year hasn't even ended yet. We're up 25% in gross revenue so far. So we're looking towards greater things for this year.
It even managed to secure international clients. About 60% of its revenues comes from social media management and graphic designing packages. And looking to the future, the company believes the digital era will provide more opportunities.
Growth is inevitable, and we not only just want to grow, but we want to innovate as well. We want to do things that we have in idea to do things that the country has never seen before on the largest scale possible. And this is just, again, as I said earlier, the first step in the right direction. We want to, by the next 5 years, we want to be able to have a physical location, have all the equipment and resources that we would have needed, studios, and especially employing young people.
Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.